Pink Angels, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be showing you a day in my life at university as a master's student, and I'm just going to be getting myself ready right now. Done my makeup, I've not done my hair, and I can't decide what to wear. I'm just getting myself ready for class. I start at 1 o'clock today and it's currently 10:30, so I need to get some food and then leave about an hour and a half before because the university is over in Edinburgh and I live in Glasgow, so I have a while to drive. So I'm just going to go and decide what to wear. I am not sure yet what I'm going for, so I will take you over to my wardrobe. I think I want to wear this jumper. It's really cute. It's inside out right now, but it's got like a lacy detailing on the back, and I think that would be really pretty. And I think I might try and pair this with a grey skirt. I'm just going to go and make some breakfast. I'm feeling like banana cinnamon toast this morning because I need something that's going to fill me up because class is over lunchtime, which I just think is very rude. I mean, who organises a class over a meal time? It's just very inconvenient. So I'm going to have a bigger breakfast and then hopefully that will keep me going. Just thought I would show you the eyeshadow that I'm wearing today. It's the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette, which I love. And I went for more kind of autumnal shades. I used Oh That's Rich. Wait, I think I went for It's Cashmere first through my crease, and then I blended in Oh That's Rich in the outer corner and my crease, and then I put Don't Carrot All in the inner corner of my eye, like a slight cut crease, and then I used Highly Selective and Filthy Rich just kind of on the outer corner. So that's what I did today, and I really like it. I think it looks quite nice. Last week I had an allergic reaction to an eye cream and it meant that I couldn't wear eyeshadow for a little bit, so now that my eyes are kind of getting back to normal, I am enjoying wearing eyeshadow again. So I'm just going to grab my laptop and go downstairs and make my breakfast, watch the new Made in Chelsea, and do some of my reading for uni. Yum. I'm so excited.
All of that for you.
Sam should be second, I think.
Just want to give you that.
Gotten myself organised and done my hair. I have 10 minutes before I need to leave, so I'm going to quickly take some Instagram photos, and I packed my bag, it's all good to go, and then I'm just going to take an Instagram story of my outfit and then an Instagram of my hair, I think, and then I'm good to go. My coffee is ready downstairs, so I'm all organised. know if you can see me properly, but I've just arrived at uni. I wasn't in the car for too long. It's probably about like an hour's journey, which wasn't too bad. I had to park in a really far away car park, so I need to walk over there and it'll take me a little while. But on the journey I just drank my coffee, which was really nice, and yeah, I'm just gonna go and head to class now. So it's such an exciting day. Like, I'm so windswept. Oh my goodness, it is very windy out there. Class is now over. I only have one class on a Tuesday, which is good, but it's kind of in the middle of the day, so it's now 10 to 3 and I'm just back in the car, and there's some really cute little ponies over there. I'll show you. Look at them running. Can you see them? Like, there's little Shetland ponies like over there in the field. They're really sweet. I've never noticed them before because I've never had to park this far away. I'm literally parked miles away. But I'm just back in the car now and getting myself organised before I head home. I'm going to head home and get dressed for the gym and then just go straight back out to the gym, because if I don't do it then I'll never go, and I really want to go to the gym. I'm just in like the mood to work out. I'm feeling quite like motivated and ready to go to the gym, so I'm going to do that. But I think I need a little snack before I leave, so I've got some water and I have these all sorted. I'm also going to charge my phone. The thing about driving so far for uni is that I get really bored in the car. Like, I've listened to a lot of music and honestly I just got a little bit bored of music, so I started listening to podcasts, and I've really been loving the podcast by Chris and Rosie Ramsey. It's on Apple Podcasts and it's hilarious, so I'm just downloading another one of them. It's 44 minutes and I'll probably get that plus a little bit of the next one done. I'm going to have my sun bites. These are little healthy crisps, I think. They're honey glazed barbecue flavour and they taste lovely. So I am now back from the gym. I am honestly so tired. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I just feel like I could just sleep for days. My biggest tip for uni is coffee. Like, I will be thanking coffee in my master's dissertation because I don't know where I would be without a lot of coffee. But yeah, I'm just super tired back from the gym, and I'm gonna just take my makeup off and jump in the shower, and then I'm having some ravioli for dinner, which I'm excited about, and then it's bake off tonight, which will be really nice, so I'll hopefully get some work done. And I also need to edit some Instagrams and a few bits and bobs like that, and then time for bake off and relaxing tonight, because I just feel like I haven't stopped. It's like uni, work, driving about, it's just non-stop. And I'm really glad I got my workout in though, because I just felt like I needed to just jog on the treadmill. I just really needed to like move around a lot more, because I'm quite stuck obviously being in the car for so long, and I just think it's so much better when I'm able to run around for a bit and stretch out and things. So the gym is really good for that, and I feel a lot better even though I am still exhausted